What's going on, guys? Ghost 4H Delta X-Ray. So I've been asked quite a bit to do an update to Blender's particle system to a game engine. I'm not going to take it into a game engine, but I am going to show you how to get the convert to curve or convert to mesh for 2.8 or 2.9. I think I'm using 2.9, but it's the same for 2.8 and 2.9. So what I noticed was that the hotkey for it doesn't work anymore. And it's not that we don't have the conversion, it's just not a hotkey or a shortcut anymore. So first thing we want to do is we want to come up here in the object, and it doesn't matter if you're in the modeling or the layout, either one works. Go to object, you want to find the convert to, and you have mesh and curve here. You can see over here I've actually already have a shortcut, so I'm going to remove the shortcut, and all we're going to do is right click and assign a shortcut, and I'm going to continue to use Alt-C just to show you guys that it works. I'm going to particle system on here. Let's go ahead and do the hair. I'm not going to do anything substantial. I'm just showing you guys that the conversion still works and how to set up the hotkeys. So we're going to go ahead and convert this. Let's go ahead and remove the existing particle system. There we go. And we're just going to select this. We're going to hit Alt-C. And you don't have to set a hotkey for both of them. You just have to set the hotkey for one of them, and it should pop up in the lower left-hand corner like you see here. And we should have curve and mesh, whatever one you prefer. So we'll convert it to a curve. Come over here to the curve. I used fill deformed in the first video, and you can see down here we have bevel, you have round object profile. I'm not totally sure what object and profile is. I haven't played with this a whole lot. But see what we get here. Let's just click up, see what it does. And that's pretty thick. So if you were trying to use this for hair, it definitely would not be recommended. Try 0.002. Strands don't look too bad. I mean, that's not too terribly bad, but you kind of just get the idea of how touchy the beveling is. So that's the depth that I adjusted for the bevel on that to make it a little bigger. I'm assuming the resolution is probably going to add more subdivisions. That's kind of what that did. Oh, we're still in the curve. Huh. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and let's convert that back. Go back to a mesh, okay, and tab over. So I went up one with the resolution. This is so hard to see. I don't know how well you guys can see this. I know I'm having a hell of a time seeing it. So if you guys, I can't see. So let's actually, no, let's Control Z. Do that and see if we can get back to where we were at for the curve. Okay, so we'll just Alt-C back to a curve. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to blow this up really big. Oh, okay, so that didn't work. Let's just redo it. Won't take that long. Okay, hair, boom, done. Selected, convert, select the box, particle system, move the existing particle system. Let's grab that one, Alt-C, convert it to a curve, go down to the curve, and we're gonna go actually up really big with these just so we can see it. And I want to go up with the resolution and see what happens with that. See if that subdivides it more. Go back to a mesh. Let's tab over. And that is what resolution does. Resolution subdivides it more. I can see in this one I have at least 3 different subdivisions in our edge loop. So guys, that's really how you get the hotkey back and how you convert it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and I hope it helped you out.